Hi guys, I can't even believe I'm coming on here like this. But what is Vlogmas day 7? Bruh. I think it's that time for me, and it's just today is good. Thank you, Lord. I'm here. But it's been like couldn't get wet today. I can't get wet today. So it is now 2 o'clock. I just felt like I just had to come on here and let y'all know every day ain't great. You know what I mean? Like, I just don't feel that well today. I just had bad dreams all night. I did not sleep well. I have did nothing but edit this morning. I've been journaling. Headspace is far left right now. So we're trying to come back center, you know, making our way there. But I just had to come and say, hey, on Vlogmas Day 7. You may see this, you may not. Because right now I look dusty and crusty. I mean, I be looking dusty and crusty all the time. But I'm real dusty and crusty right now. Like, I'm about to go pick up my son from school. Gotta somewhat get a better energy just because he's gonna come home ready today, you know. So, get a better energy. And I'm gonna come back home. I'm gonna clean up my living room here, fold those clothes, you know, put the blankets back on the chairs, wash a load of clothes, clean off my table over here a little bit, clean the kitchen. And I feel like that will make me feel better. So the rest of this footage you may see it's just kind of clean with me kind of thing, or you may not see nothing at all. I honestly don't know. My headspace is just really screwed up. I may find a different video to substitute on day 7 because that's how bad day 7 is. It's not a bad day. It's just a gloomy day. But we're going to try our best to break out of it. And before the day ends will be great. But tomorrow, no excuses. I haven't had a day like this in a very long time, but when I get like this, I do give myself like 24 hours to just be irresponsible and not seize the day. So anyway, just wanted to say that. Alright y'all, so my battery is actually about to die, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this day here. I finally got dressed and somewhat put myself together as best as possible because you know I just ain't feeling it today. But anyway, this is gonna conclude day 7. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm on my way to basketball practice, honey, with the baby. But anyway, sorry this vlog was so down in spirit, you know, but I just wasn't feeling it today. I'm on my cycle and it's not giving. It's not giving. So I'm sorry. Love you though. See you tomorrow.